Hello, and welcome to a new episode from Mac the Tech. This is Muhammad. I am Power BI consultant, and I'm here to help you in your Power BI project. I make a small series of episodes that cover different topics in Power BI to guide you and help you in your Power BI journey. I think you will like the content that I'm presenting, and for this, I'm going to ask you to subscribe for this channel, turn on the bell icon to receive notification as soon as I post something new, and like and share the episode with your friends that are interested in such content. Without further ado, let's go to the episode and see what today we are going to cover in Power BI. On the computer, and we're going to check today the August review for Power BI. And in this August review, I want to show you something that is happening right now where you can now format the value labels. And what do I mean by value labels? As you can see here, for example, this is from the previous episode about the error bar use case. So I'm gonna duplicate this just to make this new value format use case. So the value format use case, what I'm gonna do is I am going to go to the data labels and add data labels. Now you can see the data labels, it's very straightforward. It's the normal data labels that you are used to see. What I'm gonna do is that I'm going to increase the size of the data labels so that you can see it in a better way. So values, and let's go to a bigger values so that they are visible to everyone on the screen. So as you can see here, it's very obvious here that 200 is the minimum point. But now imagine you have a bigger time frame or something that is really you want to point out the min and the max. With the August update, you can now format the data labels by adding this FX. And it was a thing that is required from Power BI. And what I'm loving about Power BI is that Power BI is very responsive to the people who are asking for stuff right now, especially the data analyst guys that are really sitting on the data and they want ways to improve their analysis. So if you go here, you can immediately see a gradient where you can select and use two different colors so that you can have the highest to the lowest color. So say I'm going to use this one, and if I click yes, you'll see immediately the color shades are changed into the minimum is red, 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 and the highest is the bluest among all in terms of color. This is really good. But what if I want only to point the highest and the maximum? So if I want to do this, instead of using gradient, I will use rules. And what I will do is that I'm going to select one rule for the minimum. So say if it is greater or equal to, let's say, the minimum, and less or equal to, let's say, 550 in this case. I'll add another rule. I will say it's greater or equal to 50, but it is less than the maximum. And number, and here I'm going to choose the shaded blue color or the sky color, sky blue color. And if I do so, check it out. Everything about 550 is the blue color, and everything less than 550 is in the red color. I hope you like these episodes where I introduce to you update preview features that are coming to Power BI. That's it for today. I hope you liked the episode, and if you liked the episode, please write in the comments what did you like, and let's open a discussion about the episode and what you think is challenging to you in your Power BI project. I'm here to help you. Please reach out if you need any help. Have a nice day.